Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have a very exciting one. We are going to be unboxing my new Ugg Tazz. Now we know every single year that the Ugg Tazzes, the Tasmans, the ultra mini Uggs, normal Uggs always sell out before autumn winter even hits. So this year I decided to pick them up for myself. They were on my wish list last year for Christmas, but by the time Christmas came around and my family were doing shopping, they were literally completely sold out. So this year I've decided to purchase them. So I have purchased them in the chestnut color. I do also really want the mustard seed shade, but for now I've ordered the chestnut color because I feel like they'll go with more and they'll be less likely to get absolutely destroyed. So if I get the wear of these, I might ask for the mustard seed for Christmas, or I might just purchase them myself maybe next year. But yeah, I'm very excited to start wearing these and to unbox these. I was literally also thinking about getting the DHgate version of these, but I decided, you know what, Leah, just treat yourself. You're on maternity leave, you need a bit of a pick-me-up. Get yourself the real ones. So yes, that is what we're going to be unboxing today. So if you'd like to see me unboxing my Ugg Tazzes, then please keep watching. Okay, so this is it here. It came in like another large brown box, but I've unpackaged that already. Well, actually Joseph unpackaged that. So when you get the box, you literally just flick it open. Oh my goodness. And there's a little card here which just says, thank you for purchasing from Ugg. To learn about your limited warranty and stay up to date what's new, please register your product. So I definitely need to do that. I didn't know. I usually throw these out and wouldn't read these, so I'm going to do that after. But this is what the packaging looks like. And then, oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm going to pull her out here. Guys, look at her. She is stunning. Okay, so the reason I went for the Tazzes over the Tasmans was because of the platform. I am 5 foot, I am tiny, and I sometimes find that a platform looks better on me to give me a bit of height, but also as well, anything that doesn't have a platform can sometimes make me look a little bit stumpy. So I personally like to go for the platform. Again, like I said earlier, the reason I went for this color was just because it's less likely to get dirty, it's less likely to get destroyed, and also as well, I feel like it'll just go with a lot more because I wear a lot of like darker colors and neutrals, whereas I feel like the mustard shade color, you almost need to be wearing really light colors. So yeah, that is why I picked this up. But this is what it looks like up close. As you can see, we have the platform, we have the Ugg, and then we also have the kind of braiding effect here. So these cost me €135, which are very expensive. However, I had Ugg slippers from about, I think it was like 3 Christmases ago, 3 birthdays ago. My dad and his girlfriend Joe got them for me, and they were literally like my life now. They are absolutely bad. You wouldn't even know they're Uggs, you wouldn't even know they're slippers. They are destroyed. Like, I'm talking, it's actually despicable. Joseph said they were giving him the ick, that he wanted to throw them out. That's how bad they were, because I live in them to absolute death. I got mine in a size 4. I was between a 4 and a 5 because if you don't know, Ugg don't do half sizes. But the reason I got the 4 was because everyone was saying when they went, if they were half size and they got the size bigger, once they were worn in and the fur started, like, you know, compressing down, and they were too big on them. So I was like, right, I'm gonna grab the 4. I'm gonna try the both of them on. I also got free shipping on these, which I was delighted about, because when you're paying this much for a product, for brands to actually charge you for shipping is a joke. Right, let me get my feet into them. So they're definitely tight. Oh, I know what they mean though. If I were to have gotten a 5, they would have been way too big. Now, another complex, oh, they look so good. These look so good. Another complex that I saw people have with them was that they kept slipping, they kept slipping off the back of their feet. But I think people forget, these are slippers, they're not shoes. They're not meant to be worn as shoes. But look at these. Look at these bad boys. They're very chunky, like very chunky, but they are very tight. But I can tell once I wear these in, these really are going to be These really are going to be like my perfect size. And I just know I'm gonna get so much wear of them. Like the color of them is just the perfect warm brown. I'm gonna try them without socks because those socks did not look cute. Oh my god. Okay, they fit a lot better without socks. Can you see? Ignore my dodgy tan ankles. They don't feel as tight with socks, even though these are quite thin socks. They don't feel as tight, which is weird. But no, I'm in love with these. Like, these are the nicest Uggs I've seen. Now, I will say, after ordering them, they did actually take quite a while to come. They took like maybe like a week and a half to 2 weeks, and I don't know whether that was in Ireland. For some reason we just get fucked over with shipping. It takes things so long to get delivered to us. But no, I'm really happy with these. Like, they are so nice in color, and they're just like, I love the red trim. Like, they're gonna go so nice with jeans. And this is what I want to say, only buy things that you know you're gonna get the wear of. There is a thing going around of like overconsumption of products because of TikTok, because of Instagram, because of YouTube, because there's so many products being pushed at us and brands are bringing out new products left, right and center. Don't feel like you have to purchase items that you want to have just because everyone has them, and not because you actually want them, if that makes sense. Because I was worried when I was thinking about it last year whether I was going to buy them or not, would I actually use them. And then when I came to this year and I was still thinking about them, I knew, right, well, I definitely want these. Say for my bestie Nicole, she got the normal Tazzes, or not the normal Tazz, she got the Tasmans, so the ones that aren't the platform. She's quite tall, that was why she bought those ones. She went for something that was more suited to her. They're the exact same color, they're the exact same, they just don't have a platform. So please make sure that you're going to get the use out of them and that you actually want them, and not just you're buying them because it's a trend, because they aren't cheap. These are expensive. These are stuff that like you want to be able to wear time and time again without, you know, feeling like you've wasted your money. And as well, I just want to say that you can actually wear these outside. You can get protective Ugg spray. I am going to order mine from Amazon before I step outside with these, but you can order protective Ugg spray. So it's basically like a spray that you put on them that makes them waterproof. And the reason that I would recommend that is because if you get suede wet, it destroys the suede. There's a certain way you have to clean suede, and pretty much suede is meant to be prevented from getting destroyed rather than you clean up afterwards, because it is very difficult to clean suede because obviously you can't wet it. So yeah, just really think about that as well. But I am going to get so much use out of this. I'm going to be wearing these with leggings and a cute jumper and maybe like a trench coat. I'm going to be wearing these with my Sisters and Seekers hoodies and tracksuit bottoms. I'm going to be wearing these. You can wear these so many different ways, like jumpsuits, like as in like unitards. I've seen so many ways of people styling this, and then just fucking slippers at home. Like they're just perfect. I'm so happy I got my hands on these, and yeah, I love them, and I think I will eventually invest in the mustard seed shade because I'm obsessed. But I will say the reason I'm uploading this now is purely because these sell out so quickly once autumn and winter does actually hit, because that's when people are looking for cozy, you know, comfort, like indoor Uggs. People aren't looking for Uggs in the middle of summer. So please, if you really wanted these, go run, leg it, absolutely bomb it to the website and pick them up, because they are slowly starting to go out of stock. I got mine on the Ugg website. I don't think I said that. I got mine on the Ugg website because they were the cheapest, including shipping, because some places were still charging for shipping. Guys, I'm paying €135. I'm not paying fucking tenner shipping. Anyways, so if you wanted to get them, please run, leg it, absolutely fire it. They have loads of colours in these as well. It's not just this in the mustard shade. They have like a black. They have a new one. What's it called? Oh, what is it called? I think it's like a sandy colour and it's got like a blue trim. That is beautiful. Just go, run, pick them up, go get them. So guys, that is my unboxing and review of the Ugg Tazz in chestnut. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and comment down below and let me know, did you pick up Uggs this year, last year, or will you? And also what ones and what shade, because I feel like I need all of them. I feel like I need all of them for autumn, winter, for the cute fits. Oh, I'm obsessed. I also just want to say as well, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really recommend subscribing, because I have just uploaded a 1K giveaway that is running until the 30th of September. Please have a look at that video. I'll leave it in the description. I'll also leave it in the iCard, wherever that is. It is running till the 30th of September and there is a load of my favorite makeup products in it. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you in my next one. Bye.